His Excellency Barrister Chief Nyesom Ezenwo Wike, aside receiving the loudest applause so far today, was born on the 13th day of December 1967 and is a life bencher on the body of benchers, serving most recently as the two-term executive governor of Rivers State from 2015 to 2023. He was educated at the Rivers State University of Science and Technology and the University of Port Harcourt, where he obtained his Bachelor of Laws degree and Bachelor of Science, Political and Administrative Studies, respectively. He would go on to be elected as the Executive Chairman of Obiakpo Local Government Area of Rivers State from 1999 to 2007, where he would eventually be elected as the Chairman of Algon. He would go on to serve as the Chief of Staff in the Rivers State Government House, Port Harcourt, between 2007 and 2011. He would then serve the nation as Minister of State for Education and eventually Acting Minister of Education during the administration of former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. His Excellency Governor Nyesom Wike has received numerous awards and recognitions for his outstanding achievements as the Executive Governor of Rivers State. He is a recipient of the National Award of the Commander of the Order of the Niger, CON, and he will serve as the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory.
As a minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God.